With Thanksgiving just around the corner, I wanted to share a recipe for this roasted garlic butter chicken. This is a great alternative to the traditional turkey. The first step is to make the garlic butter, and I'm going to do so by finely chopping thyme. I'm also going to finely chop parsley. You can also add a bit of sage if you're looking for that quintessential Thanksgiving flavor. Next is the garlic, and I'm using a head of garlic, and just using my garlic press, I am going to crush it. I just want to make sure that that garlic mixes well in the butter so it's nicely distributed. Next, I'm going to add all of the herbs and the garlic to room temperature butter. You want it to be at room temperature so it's easy to mix. I'm also adding olive oil, black pepper, and a generous amount of salt. It seems like it's a lot, but this is a big chicken, so we do need quite a bit of salt. And I'm going to mix this together, and remember, this mixture is going to season the chicken. We're going to rub it in the cavity, beneath the skin, all around the chicken. So you want this to be mixed well. The next thing to do is to prepare the chicken, and you're going to defrost it, remove the giblets, rinse it well inside and out, and then dry the skin and the inside using a paper towel. You want it to be nice and dry so it roasts well. Then I've added a spoonful of the garlic butter mixture and half of an onion to the inside of the chicken. Then I am going to use twine and tie the legs together. Doing it this way is going to give you that nice presentation that you want once the chicken cooks. The next thing I'm going to do is I am going to loosen the skin at the breast. And I'm doing this so that you have this pocket where you can put that garlic butter, and as it cooks, it's just going to drip down all over the breast and give it so much flavor. And just be careful as you're doing this not to tear the skin. And as you can see, I just placed a generous amount, and using my hands, I am just going to spread it around to cover the breast. And just a little reminder, just be sure to look over the chicken because I missed a few feathers, as you can see it on the tip of the wing, but I did remove it before baking it. And I am just tucking the wings back and underneath the chicken. This prevents the wings from burning as it bakes, but it also gives it such a nice presentation when it's time to serve. And then it's time to just lather that chicken with all of that garlic butter. I also added chicken broth to the pan, which I forgot to film. Baste the chicken periodically with the drippings in the pan. As the chicken bakes, the seasoning might become dark. To prevent it from burning, I just loosely place a foil on top of the chicken and let it continue to cook until it's reached the internal temperature of 165 degrees. And that is it. Look at how perfect, juicy, and delicious that looks. This will be the star at any Thanksgiving dinner. Turkey will not be missed. Thank you guys for joining me. I hope you're enjoying these Thanksgiving recipes. Please let me know below in the comments. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.